Spice Girl sexy belt. This is the picture, and this is another picture, real raw picture. This is picture, and you watch this punk leather chest belt, Spice Girl sexy belt, women's underwear bound, hello exposed chest leather decoration, 66% discount, and this is the real price and this is the discount price. Okay, after 66% discount, this is the price. 1000 plus sold, 186 reviews and ratings 4.7, and this is the final. This is the belt. Thank you so much for watching this video. For orders, please check video description. If you want to buy this product, please check video description. Okay.